In this video, I will show you how to add add-ons in Google Sheet, so let's get started with the video. To add an add-on, we need to click this Extensions tab in the top menu bar. Next, need to click Add-in tab from the list of options. Next, we need to click Get Add-ons tab, which opens up this Google Workspace Marketplace pop-up window. Here, you will see all the extensions that we can add in Google Sheets. You can type and search for the add-on that you want to add. I want to look for animation-related charts, and I will add this add-in. We need to click Install button to install the add-in in Google Sheets. And next, we need to select the Gmail account tab and continue. Next, we need to continue clicking and allowing permissions. And done adding the add-on. To use the add-on, we need to click the Extensions tab and select the add-in. In the left, the add-in panel will open, where we can select all the options available to create the output using the extensions. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you liked this video tutorial. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.